Welcome to the video tour of David Liu's lab. Here we have David's wonderful office where we have what we call Millies, which is basically our name for a subgroup, every Monday. And so we present on the TV and David sits here from his majestic desk with all his favorite gemstones around it and gives us feedback on what we've done for the past 2 weeks. Coming out of David's office, we have a bunch of nice offices here that we all sit in. And so each office has its own little personality with its own decorations and such. And walking through these offices, we can actually access our lab space. So we have a quite nice lab space here with several benches as well as hoods dedicated to doing chemistry. So here is one of our chemistry bays. Here's the other one. And here we have our lab's pride and joy, a set of 4 MiSeq sequencers as well as a NextSeq for all of the genome editing interested folks out there. Here we have just some biology benches, a gel bench, gel imager, and over here we have one of the nicest features of the Broad, which are these mini mart shelves. And so anytime we use up some of the supplies on this shelf, the Broad's inventory people called SQM will just come in and they'll replace it every weekday. And so we never have to worry about running out of supplies as long as they're not on back order, like several currently are. Moving over to the instrument room, we have our nice benchtop centrifuge, 5 shakers, as well as an analytical HPLC, as well as a prep HPLC, and a lyophilizer. Right next to the instrument room, we also have 2 warm rooms. So this one we use for cloning, and this one we use for paste. And so here you can actually see several people's pastes. So here we have a chemist stat, as well as 4 paste liquids that are currently running. Stepping out of the lab, we have this nice kitchen area over here. The Broad stocks a lot of coffee that we can have at any time. And during non-pandemic times, we have lunch in this nice sort of living room area. Walking down the hall, we have a little call booth over here if you need to take a call. And across from the call booth, we actually have a little conference room. And so this conference room is where we have group meetings usually on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Although right now it's being used as a flex space for people working in the lab.